Greetings, seekers of truth. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the vast cosmic mysteries that lie beyond our world. Today, we are embarking on an extraordinary journey with the renowned Andromedan contactee, Alex Collier. But before we delve into the depths of cosmic knowledge, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join our incredible community. Trust us, you won't want to miss a single moment of the awakening we are currently experiencing. Sit back and relax and listen to Alex Collier discussing how we can defeat tyranny without resorting to civil war.
Hi, Alex. The A's have time travel. So do they see in this timeline that Trump wins the second term and is able to drain the swamp? Or will we actually have to resort to actual civil war with people taking up arms against their neighbors? How can we best help the good to triumph in this instance? You said tyranny had come up in the universe and they pinpointed it to this time. Could the tyranny we've been subjected to in this past year be the beginning of that? How can we help to defeat it?
Is this also Elaine?
No, this is Penny.
Okay, Penny. Hey, Penny. I understand you're not going to be available today live. I wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas as well. You're a wonderful lady. No, Penny, how do I put this? In coming back in time, there is a holographic overlay, a template that has been laid over this reality, which changes the course of the old way that led to having to correct a terrible wrong. That terrible wrong, and it's funny, I had this conversation yesterday with two folks in California. The terrible wrong essentially is this. You have many different soul groups from all the dimensions here, experiencing physicality. The altering of the genetic code, the genocide of the human population here, the entrapping of souls from all of those dimensions into a third dimensional space created a whiplash. A paradigm shift was in process then. And hold on one second. The process we're going through now was occurring then in that timeline. So here it is. It was stretching. All the timelines and the dimensions were being drawn up as they are now. But what happened was their density got trapped. Soul groups, those that are connected to those dimensions, got stuck here because someone underestimated the dark side, ultimately. And what happened was everything came back. Everything snapped back. There was a reaction to what happened. And all the frequencies changed. And they had to be corrected. The frequencies, the shift, the blowback had to be repaired, fixed, and understood. Now, these idiots that were down here doing this to everyone, the dark side, it was concluded they didn't really realize what they were doing here. All they were fixed on was securing their place and having control of others. That's how strong their determination was. So in order to correct that, a template, a holograph, was imprinted over and dropped into this reality, changing the course, which is what is playing out now. Whatever tyranny we are experiencing, whatever we will see in the immediate future for a minute, is there to have everyone see it, to acknowledge it, to be aware of it, so that when they're confronted with the choice of being responsible for oneself without coercion, they can make that decision for themselves. And this holograph, this old paradigm, will completely dissolve on its own. And the soul groups will move forward. I have dramatically simplified that to give you an explanation for this. But in a nutshell, that's what's going on. This is a done deal. Yes, Trump survives. The dark side created this huge jungle. They forgot where they put their own booby traps, and they themselves are walking into them because they're in a panic. They're losing control. They've already lost control, but to them, they're losing control. They just haven't, it hasn't really dawned on them yet that they're done. So they're scrambling around doing anything and everything. As I said 2 years ago, they're throwing everything against the wall. And that's what we're seeing, is everything. And as something comes to mind, as something is being disclosed, it falls off the wall to the floor. And then the next thing that's exposed, that is brought out into the open, that falls off the wall and falls to the floor. That's what we're witnessing. We are witnessing a very old, controlling, deliberate, diabolical, conscious prison being blown to smithereens. And it's imperative that everyone sees it, so that as we continue to create our futures individually and collectively, we absolutely are positive and sure about what we're investing our consciousness into. Because we are creating, folks. We are creators. We do create realities. And as we move out of this and out of the control matrix that's been here, not only suppressing, but screwing with people who have been trying to wake everyone else up, or to tip over the crab pot to let the crabs out to run free, everything changes. Everything changes because the universe is abundant. There's no lack. There's no lack whatsoever. But here there is, because we've been living in this shithole of a consciousness, this jail, this mental jail.
We are immensely grateful for your support, as it enables us to continue sharing knowledge that transforms lives and expands consciousness. Your likes, subscribes, bell notifications, and comments bring us closer to a collective awakening. Thank you for being an integral part of our cosmic journey. Stay curious, stay open-minded, and most importantly, stay connected. Together, we'll navigate the vast cosmic tapestry hand in hand. Until our next adventure, fellow truth seekers. If you would like to see Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we host an online seminar 3 times a month on a Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information and dates of upcoming online seminars, please visit alexcollier.org. Please click on one of the above videos to seek more of Alex Collier's knowledge.